I do have a personal motivation. That is that I do have a small plot back home in the southern part of Mexico, at the border region with Guatemala. And why do I have that? Because it is adjacent to the last remaining rainforest, intact rainforest that Mexico still has. So it is predestined, really, to be restored. And for me, I do work with the UN Decade Secretariat. I'm passionate about it, but at the same time, I do have this reality check and how relevant is what is being done at a global level for me if I want to restore that very small plot in the southern part of the country. We are not there yet, but we are on a very good path. And I would say in 2 more years, I'm ready to really get started. And that's the important about the UN Decade. It's about the big players, but it's really for every individual that wants to take action.